Hi everybody, this is Clinton at the Best Buy blog. Today I have a review of the M-Audio Air 192.4 Vocal Studio Pro Vocal Production Pack. It includes an audio interface, the Air 192.4, M-Audio Nova condenser microphone with shock mount, and the M-Audio HDH 40 headphones. In this video, I'll take a look at each of the three main components, the audio interface, the microphone, and the headphones, give you my opinion, and talk about some of the features. If you like the video, please hit like and subscribe to the Best Buy blog channel for more reviews on all kinds of products at Best Buy Canada. The M-Audio Air 192.4 interface is everything you would expect from an audio interface. It has two channels in right here, a microphone and a guitar. The guitar input is here, whereas the microphone input is on the back. The large knob in the center is a volume knob for controlling the studio monitors, which connect right here. Then we have a control for blending the direct or the DAW signal from your computer, and finally a headphone volume. You'll also note on the front that there's a phantom power switch for the condenser microphone as well as a 1/4-inch headphone output. The unit is compact. You can see the knobs are nice and big and easy to manipulate. One thing that I noticed about this interface when I plugged it in is that when you turn the volumes up to about the 12 o'clock position, a good amount of noise starts to come into the interface, which is not really desirable. However, usually with your volume down around here, you're going to have lots of volume to work with anyway, so it shouldn't be a problem unless you have a very quiet voice or a very quiet guitar, in which case you're supposed to add more volume. When I plugged it in, it works exactly like you would expect any audio interface to work, which is really great, and using the included cables and USB cables that come in the kit. And then we move on to the microphone to see how it sounds. And what I'm going to do now is plug the microphone in and talk directly into it. Here we have it. We have the M-Audio Nova microphone connected and ready to go. My feelings about this microphone is that it's fair for what price you're paying. It has a nice frequency response. I wouldn't say that it's a high quality microphone. It's an okay microphone for what you need to get started. That's an idea of how it sounds with my voice right there. You can hear there's a low rumble from my bass, and when I do the high frequencies, you can hear that too. It is good value for what you're paying for with this kind of microphone. When I plug in my guitar and my bass guitar into channel 2, the sound is great. You have a solid interface and solid sounds, solid equipment, you get good values. The headphones are slightly better than entry-level quality in my opinion. They sound okay, but they don't sound amazing, and I'm a little bit worried about the construction. I even feel like this wire right here could break off in a couple of months of consistent use. One redeeming feature of the headphones is they do block a lot of noise, which is nice for certain recording situations where you don't want to be distracted by noise around you, or that you really just want to hear the music and not the sound of the room that you're working in. All of the cables you need are included. There's a microphone cable, a USB cable, both USB-C to A and USB-C to C. That's everything you need to jump in and get to work. There are a number of software apps included with the package, including MPC Beats, which is the digital audio workstation from M-Audio. There are many effects, Revolver virtual guitar amp, virtual grand piano, Ableton Live Lite, a creative effects package, and loops. To conclude my review of the M-Audio Air 192.4 Vocal Studio Pro Vocal Production Pack, I'll say that you do get very good value with an audio interface, condenser microphone, and headphones for you to use. The included software adds value to the package as well, and at this price point, M-Audio is clearly competitive amongst others offering this kind of package. I hope you liked this review. I hope you found it informative. Like and subscribe to the channel for more. Get your M-Audio Vocal Studio Pro Production Pack. Thanks everyone. See you next time.